Hey everyone, Rizwan here. I just wanted to share a quick reflection with my time with the CorePath bone marrow biopsy training program. It was a once-in-a-lifetime experience. As a medical student, and being the only medical student to participate, it really was an honor. And you could just feel a profound sense of dignity and respect when you're learning from a cadaver. You realize what an incredible privilege it is to have that kind of hands-on experience at this stage in my training. And the timing couldn't have been more perfect. Literally right after this program, my very next rotation was in interventional radiology, and it turned out I was going to be doing bone marrow biopsies on real patients. So it really helped me and gave me the confidence and technical skills I need to help me on that tremendously. It completely transformed how I approach patient care, especially with bone marrow biopsies. But it really is something that I'll remember for the rest of my life and career. I'm just so grateful for the opportunity, and I really appreciate CorePath putting this together and would recommend this to anybody.